Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 10 update error, that is we could not complete the install because an update service was shutting down. So if you're receiving this error message while updating Windows 10, then please follow the steps shown in this video. For this, go to the start menu and then click on settings. Go to update and security and then click on troubleshoot, then click on additional troubleshooter. Now click on Windows Update and then click on Run the Troubleshooter, and once the troubleshoot is complete you can go ahead and restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 10. Now still you are receiving the error message. In that case you can go ahead and reset Windows Update components. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see download Windows Update reset script for computers running Windows 10. Click on it. This will download the zip file. So go to the download location, click on show in folder, make a right click on the zip file, then click on extract, and after the extract open the folder. Now open WU reset bat file, make a right click, then click on run as administrator, click on yes to allow. It will go ahead and first of all, now before you run this command, it will prompt you press any key to continue. So press any key on the keyboard to continue. First of all, it will go ahead and stop all the Windows Update services, and then it will go ahead and restart all the services, and this process will take some time, so let the process complete. Now over here you can see it's restarting all the services, and once this is complete it will tell you to press any key to continue. So press any key on the keyboard. It will go ahead and close the command prompt. Now you can go ahead and try to update your Windows 10. Now still you are receiving the error code. In that case you can go ahead and run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab, then click on run as administrator, then click on yes to allow, and then copy this command, the first command, paste it on the command prompt window, hit the enter key. Now let the process complete. Once this is done, go ahead and try to update your Windows 10 once again. Now still you are facing the problem. In that case you can go ahead and run these two commands. For this, again type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on the command prompt tab, then click on run as administrator, click on yes to allow, and run this command first, and then paste it over here, hit the enter key, and let the scan complete. Now this process will take some time. So once this scan is 100% complete, you go ahead and run the second scan. So let the process complete. Once this is 100% complete, you copy this next command, the last one, and then paste it on the command prompt window, hit the enter key, and once this scan is 100% complete, restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 10 once again. The next step is to use Update Assistant. For this, copy this link. This will take you to Microsoft website. Now over here you can see Update Assistant. Go ahead and click on Update now. This will download the exe file. Run this exe file and then click on yes to allow. And here it will go ahead and check for update, and if there is any pending update it will tell you to install it. Click on install, and after that your Windows should be up to date. Now in case nothing is working, still you are facing the problem, in that case you can go ahead and use media creation tool. Now over here on the same website, scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download tool now. Once the download is complete, run this exe file. Now once you run this exe file, you will see this screen. So click on accept, and then by default upgrade this PC now would be selected. So click on next and let the download complete. Now this process will take time. Once the download is complete, now before the installation you will see this screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. Now when this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so you can go ahead and click on install, and after the installation your Windows should be up to date and you should not receive this error message anymore. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.